remembers that.
Ride.
It's like she loves to ride the horse and she just wants to play in the dirt, huh?
It's poopy dirt though.
Woo! Go on him!
Morgan!
Hey, you're ruining everybody's good time with all your moaning and groaning.
Don't.
You're gonna hurt Ted's feelings.
Come over here, look.
Look at how fast she's going.
Woo! Good job on him!
Good job. Madison, what's this? Madison, what's this? Look.
You can climb up there.
There you go.
Hey.
You're doing good.
What do you want me to help you?
Woo!
No, you're not getting in though. Daddy, do you want to come watch her?
Okay.
And Morgan, Morgan, you want to
Okay.
go super fast on the horse? Morgan.
I didn't touch you. I was just holding the bars. That's all.
Morgan.
I swear.
Morgan. Morgan. Morgan.
Hello, Mindy.
Good job.
Can you climb up here?
How are you?
Morgan, do you want to ride the horse?
There you go.
There you go.
Good job. You're doing it. Woo!
What? You want to go? Do you want to go ride the horse super fast? Go tell your horses that they need to come out. You want to ride the horse?
You can ride it after Morgan rides
Tell
it.
me have 6
It's her turn.
minutes and they need to get out here.
Woo!
Madison. You want it to go? Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
Wait for Mom.
Good job.